Welcome back to CTV News Channel. Earlier this week, astronomers using the Hubble Space Telescope say they have discovered a fifth moon orbiting Pluto. A fourth moon was also discovered last year. The two newest moons haven't been named yet, but Pluto's other three are called Charon, Nix, and Hydra. For more on this discovery, we're joined from Montreal via Skype by Andrew Fasakis, National Geographic's astronomy expert. Great to see you again. Thanks a lot for joining us. So what do we know about this latest Hubble telescope discovery?
Well, you know, we're talking, you have to remember, Jennifer, we're talking about an object that's nearly 5 billion kilometers away from us, literally at the edge of the solar system. And the Hubble Space Telescope snapped this very grainy image of an object that's orbiting Pluto. And it's the fifth moon that they've identified, and they think it's approximately 10 to 25 kilometers across, and it's orbiting about 50,000 kilometers away from its parent object, Pluto. So that's about I would say about a fifth the distance, the average distance that our moon orbits from the Earth.
So with another moon being discovered, could Pluto recapture its planet status?
That is a very good question, and that's actually being hotly debated online right now in online forums and chat rooms by professional astronomers and amateur backyard astronomers too. With this discovery of 5 moons around Pluto, you know, Pluto, it seems like there's quite a traffic jam there, and so people are saying, well, maybe we should reinstate Pluto's planet status, maybe give that grandfather clause a look at again. So we don't know, but it is hotly debated. Right now, as of now, it's still considered a dwarf planet. It doesn't meet all the criteria that professional astronomers have laid out in the last few years of what a planet should be. And so having more moons just doesn't make the cut for professional astronomers.
Could this new moon create some concerns?
Well, that's true. It could, in terms of the upcoming mission, New Horizons, which is a probe on its way currently to the planet Pluto, and it's scheduled to arrive in 3 years' time, in July 2015. And the big concern here is that it's going to be zipping by very close to the moon, just under 40,000 kilometers above the surface of Pluto. In fact, very close to this new moon, and the concern is that there might be a lot of things there, a lot of objects. Anything even the size of a grain of sand can puncture the spacecraft. That's the danger. So they want to map out the entire system, and the Hubble Space Telescope is really the most powerful instrument that we have here on Earth that can actually, at this distance, map out the entire system. So hopefully there's no dangers for the spacecraft. If there is, they do have a backup plan of sending the spacecraft just a little bit farther away from Pluto if necessary.
Fascinating stuff. Andrew Fasakis, thanks so much.
My pleasure.